Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 1st of March 2021. If you would like to receive those videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking this button below this video. And before we start, let me announce the winner of the contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was the flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen, you should see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations on winning the profile. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest. The prize will also be the flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. To participate in that contest, the only thing you need to do is just to leave a comment below this video on YouTube. Alright? That's all you need to do, and in the next video, in the next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win the profile. Alright, so that's about the contest, and let's now go into the trading ideas. The first one is a day trading idea on the Euro Swiss franc. So those three charts which you see here are all linked. They all show the same trading instrument. They all show the Euro Swiss franc. This is a 60-minute chart with a weekly volume profile. This is a 30-minute chart where I use my flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around like this. And this third chart, this is a 15-minute chart where I have 4-hour fixed profiles, which means that every 4 hours a new volume profile gets printed. Alright, so that's the workspace. And the trading idea which I wanted to show you, it's based on a volume cluster which was created within this strong uptrend which took place in the previous week. So let me show you also on this flexible volume profile chart. Now, as the price was pushing upwards in this uptrend, you can see that massive volumes were traded in here in that uptrend. Those are the volumes, right? So I think that those volumes were volumes of buyers, and those buyers were adding to the long positions before they pushed the price even higher from here. So I think that those are buyers. This is a significant place for buyers. And when there's a pullback to this place, which is at 1.0938, I think that those buyers will want to defend this zone because they placed a lot of their positions in here. This zone is important for them and they'll want to defend it. And when the price comes close, they should start aggressively buying again with market orders and trying to push the price upwards from there again. Alright, so that's why I think this is a strong day trading support. There's also one more nice confluence to this level, and it's the first deviation of the weekly VWAP. That's the gray line you can see in here. And this gray line, that's the first deviation of the VWAP. This is the VWAP, the yellow line. And those first deviations are supposed to work as supports or resistance zones, all right? This is where the calculation ended for the VWAP for the previous week. If I zoom it in, you'll see that there is a gray dotted line there at the place where the calculation stopped in here. All right, so this level is an important level from the VWAP point of view. And it is a nice confluence because it lies almost exactly at this level, which is based on volume profile. All right, so that's the new support on the Euro Swiss franc. And let's now go into the next trading idea. And this one will be on the British pound Swiss franc. So this is the British pound Swiss franc. And what I wanted to show you in here is a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup. And this setup is based on those massive volumes which got created in this rotation right before the start of this strong downtrend. So because of this downtrend, I think that those volumes which were placed in the market before the downtrend were sellers. I think the sellers were building up their short positions in here, which showed on the volume profile right there. And then they pushed the price aggressively downwards. So when there's a pullback to this place, I think that those sellers will want to defend this zone and they'll push the price downwards from there again. All right, this is why I think this should work as a strong day trading resistance zone. It is at 1.2819. That's where the heaviest volumes were placed in here. This is, by the way, also the weekly point of control, which means that the heaviest volumes throughout this whole week got traded there at this price level. And just by itself, the weekly point of control is a very strong place to trade from, especially if strong buying or selling activity, like in here, starts from there. All right, so that's why I think this level will be a strong day trading resistance. Now let's go into the next trading idea, which will be on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So this is the Australian dollar Swiss franc, and let's have a look at this chart, the 30-minute chart with the flexible volume profile. What I'm interested in here are volumes created in this zone before the start of this strong downtrend. So in this zone, you can see that massive volumes were created in here before the start of the downtrend. And very similarly as in the previous case, I think that in here there were sellers who are building up their short positions, most of them at 0.7232 in here, and then they pushed the price downwards aggressively. So when there's the pullback in some point in the future, then I think that those sellers from this place will want to defend this zone, because this is a very important zone for them. They placed a lot of their short positions there, so those guys should defend this zone and they should push the price downwards from there again. All right, so again, this is the volume accumulation setup. In this case, it's not based on a weekly point of control, but still there are pretty massive volumes created in here before the start of the sell-off. All right. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, then visit my website, trader-dale.com, and go to trading course and tools in here. Then scroll down a bit, and this is a recommended training pack, which is called the Elite Pack. And with this educational pack, you're going to get volume profile video course, which is 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile. You will get my personal trading levels. Those are daily levels as well as swing trading levels. You'll get those levels every day. Now, you'll also get a volume profile pack, which is pack of my volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. And as a bonus, you will get free VWAP indicator for NinjaTrader 8 and also my books. The first one, volume profile, the insider's guide to trading, and the second one, it's not listed in here, but you'll get that one as well. It is called Oriflow Trading Setups. Now, as addition to all that, you are also going to get free tech support for Elite and Oriflow Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all indicators, workspaces. They'll set you up with data feed, and they'll do it free of charge. That's extra service for Elite Pack and Oriflow Pack members. All right. This way you can start focusing on learning how to trade rather than setting it all up just by yourself. All right. So that's the recommended Elite Pack. Last week there was a webinar, a NinjaTrader webinar on the Oriflow, and in that webinar I made a special offer on the Oriflow and later also on the Elite Pack. Now the special sale from the webinar is officially over, but as you can see, you can still get it on the website. It will be available, I think, in the next couple of hours before my web guy takes it down. So if you are faster than him, if you manage to purchase it before he takes that sale down, you can still get it for the discounted price. All right. So anyways, that's about it. That's about this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video. And until then, happy trading.